This is class number 22. And Moshe, can you please read for us?
Yep. All right. So we're at
81.
superiority.
Right?
Yep.
Okay, go ahead.
All right. So the person who restrains himself from speaking the forbidden merits the hidden light, which was stored away for the righteous at the time of creation. Okay, that's in Bereshit 1:4. Conversely, regarding the sin of Lashon Hara, our sages state in Yerushalmi Peah 1:1, punishment.
Apologies. Who is not speaking? Could you put yourself on mute? He's not speaking. Isha, could you put yourself on mute? There is a background noise. Thank you. Perfect. Yeah, go ahead. Sorry.
The punishment for this sin is exacted from the person on this world, while its principle remains for him in the world to come. Okay. Interesting.
Okay. Let's do this summary. So, okay, go ahead.
So that's a little scary. So basically, you get punished here, and then if there's left over, you get, like, no matter what, you get punished for this in the next world as well, right?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
So this is yet another reason why David declares, which man desires life, guard your tongue from evil. Consider the following. Man is superior to all other creatures by way of his heavenly soul, which the Creator has endowed with intellect that is granted expression through the power of speech. As mentioned above, the Torah defines man's essence by calling him a living being, which onkelos translates as a speaking spirit. But man can claim superiority only if he uses his power of speech in a constructive manner.
Okay, guys, you continue. I'll be back in 1 minute. Okay, continue, please. Yeah.
If he uses this power wickedly, then all other creatures who cannot speak and cause the destructiveness that only words can cause are actually superior to him. All the creatures who cannot speak. Thus, the scriptures state, which man desires life, guard your tongue, for it is this quality that makes one deserving of being called an ish.
Okay, I'm back. Any comments?
No.
Anyone?
The 4 levels, as they say, right? There's Chai, Domem, right? I forgot the exact terms, but you're starting with the lowest mineral and vegetation, animal, and it calls humans dover, the ones that speak. So
yeah,
is the ability to be able to speak. I think that's
so when we misuse this thing that that does aside from all others, so that's when people get big punishments.
I think, what in your opinion, Rabbi, also isn't it that the one organ, or let's say in the whole human body, can be responsible for the most amount of damage? I mean, there's a reason there's a Chaim Mavet B'Tach Lashon, probably the tongue. Any other, you can make sense, but there's something within the tongue that you can probably cause irreparable damage.
Exactly.